Hello guys, Block Topic speaking, straight out of Bali. I quit my job, sold all my stuff back home and came here to live my dream and to only do crypto and charting for you guys. I do believe and know how Bitcoin is going to behave in the near future, and I do believe we have not reached the bottom yet. So listen carefully to what I'm saying. I would say we just dive right into it. So guys, what you're seeing here is the Bitcoin weekly chart, and it's really from the beginning of Bitcoin. Like here we have 2011, 2012. And I've taken every peak Bitcoin had since the last 10 years. So starting with 2013, in December 2013 we had a peak. In December 2017 we had a peak. In July 2019 we had a peak. In April 21, and the second peak was in November 21. So you can clearly see those white lines. This line and this line, for example, they are parallel. Also, this line, this line, this line, and this line, those are also parallel. So I haven't drawn them, I've just duplicated them and I've put them where they belong. As you can see, those two lines always cross, and I've made a red circle around it. Always when those two lines cross, Bitcoin reached its bottom. But this is just one of many reasons I think Bitcoin hasn't reached its bottom yet. Also have a look at the blue Fibonacci circle around Bitcoin, around the chart. Bitcoin always moves, the chart always moves inside those circles. Also here you can see it wigged out but got back inside again, and right on time hit the spot and bottomed. And I think here will be something quite similar. I think Bitcoin will wig out here around 26k, maybe it even will reach the Fibonacci, the Fib level about 27, 28k. And then it will wig down to 7k. And let me just show you the exact date of when Bitcoin is going to drop, in my opinion. This would be the 13th of March 2023. This does not have to be exactly the 13th of March, but probably Bitcoin will bottom in March or around March. From this point on, Bitcoin will probably have another bull run. Depends on the markets, on the stock markets, on the global economy also. So guys, let me show you another chart. This is also Bitcoin in the weekly. Those lines, you know those lines already. Those are the same parallel lines as you have seen before. Those are Fib levels. And what I've drawn here is our Elliott waves, Elliott retracement waves. So I think this was a 5-wave movement, and from all the way from 2013 beginning, and this is the retracement A, B, and C. And inside those A, B, and C waves, there mostly are A, B, C waves inside. Look like this: A, B, C, A, B, and C. That's why I think Bitcoin will reach about 25k, even more higher, because this was the latest lower high, and Bitcoin has to pump above this lower high. It probably will pump above this lower high. It does not have to be, but technical analysis says it does have to. And at this point we have two options. Yeah, the one option is, as I said, Bitcoin will drop. Bitcoin will make wave C, the yellow wave C, down with another ABC move to about 6, 7k, 8k. Or Bitcoin is in another 5-wave pattern. So Bitcoin is in another move upwards, and Bitcoin is going to reach new peaks. Also possible, the reason I don't believe this happens is because the global economy looks pretty shit at the moment. We are close before a recession, we have wars, we have delivery problems, and for me it just does not happen like this. As I said, you can have your own opinion on this. I'm just sharing my opinion to this, and yeah. So as I just mentioned, another Bitcoin weekly chart. This is the 5-wave pattern I meant, starting from November 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Bitcoin is about to have a retracement from here. You see the white trend line. Since 2011, Bitcoin broke it in May 2022, so this year, and usually the retracement is about the end of wave 4 from the actual 5-part Elliott wave. So as I said, as I already showed you before, A, B, and C, this is a Fib level, and you can see those Fib levels exactly match the chart. And also here, this Fib level is about 6.5, 6.8. So I don't think those things are coincidences. I think those things are pretty real, and I think yeah, I just don't think this is a coincidence. Okay, guys, now looking into a smaller chart of mine. This is the daily. This is peak number 1 in April, and this is peak number 2 in November. And what we have here is a bearish trend to the downside, ending in a triangle. You will see those two lines on the outside. Those are lines where breakouts already happened. So I've made another triangle, a larger triangle. So if this triangle breaks, the wick probably is a lot bigger to the upside or to the downside. So going into it a little deeper, I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen right now. So Bitcoin broke. At this point, we have the 5-part Elliott wave. 1, 2. This is exactly 50%. 1, 2. 161% is up here, the fib level. 4. This is the, if you can remember, this is the other triangle, the breakout triangle. So we break out, we retest, and the 5th wave will be another pump before we have another retracement. Inside this 5-wave move, we have another 5-wave move inside the 3rd wave, and at the moment we're having a bull flag, and I think that we just finished with the first wave of wave 3 and moving downwards and showing a bull flag, which probably in 80% of all cases breaks to the upside. It's going to break up here and reach the 22,430 level. That's where I take profit. I've got a long at the moment, 2K long running, and that's my take profit, and also my next short position, my entry for my next short position. If you want to know more about my trades, go follow me on Twitter. I'm called Rob Kane at the moment, but I'm going to change my name to Blog Topics for you guys. So yeah, just for keeping you updated, have a look at my Twitter. Yeah, so this is how I think Bitcoin will move. Up here, we haven't reached 26K, so I think there will be another retracement, and probably the next 5-wave move will be a pump to 26K. I think the 5th wave, the end of wave 5, could be in December, and in January I think we are probably going to dump before we have another bullish pump, where we probably are going to reach 26K or even higher. Around March or February, already end of February, as I told you, I think Bitcoin is going to crash. I think not only Bitcoin, I think every market is going to crash. I think the stock market is going to crash. We are in a global crisis. We are short before a recession. And yeah, in my opinion, we are not going to see another bull market before Bitcoin reached its bottom. So there are many different reasons I think Bitcoin hasn't reached its bottom. So it's not only technical analysis, it's also fundamental analysis. Bitcoin moves with the stock market, and for the stock market, it also doesn't look very good. So yeah, just take care of yourself. Follow me if you want to have more news about how Bitcoin moves, and if you want to make profit. I'm going to share nearly every of my trades on Twitter. Actually, I'm sharing every of my trades on Twitter. And I'm going to help you be profitable in crypto. I'm going to help you be financial free, and I'm not even wanting anything for this. You don't have to pay me. I'm doing this because I'm a good guy. I'm going to share my trades, and yeah, the only thing I want from you is a follow, a like. Give me a follow, a like, and I'll be motivated to do a lot more such videos. And yeah, keep your thumbs up. Crypto is the best. Thank you everybody for watching. I love you guys.